Hey guys! Hello and welcome to Matt. So today I will show you how to paint Warli art digitally using Infinite Painter. So for that, create a canvas. You can write the ratios over here or slide the scale. I will take a template of screen size. So first we will start from the basic, taking the base color black and brush type monoline. So at the very beginning, a dot that represents joint. Then triangles. If you ever check Warli, you must notice that it follows some basic geometrical shapes like a circle, a triangle, reverse triangle, a square or rectangle, some curves, then cross. All these are symbolic of different elements of nature, like the circle depicts sun or moon, and the triangles represent mountains or conical trees. The square renders to be a human invention, indicating a sacred enclosure or a piece of land. Now I will show you to draw Warli figures. Man and woman. Use triangle and reverse triangle for the upper and lower part of the body. You can use symmetry tools also for the upper and lower section. Use circle to represent head. You must know the basic factors of Warli, because everything which categorized as Warli are made up with these various elements. Now I am drawing a woman, just making a bun to depict the woman. Otherwise it's almost the same. You can use bright colors to shade the shapes, or simply use black if you are on a white paper, or you can use white ink also if you are on a black paper or any other color. Let me draw an object now. Here I will use the curves. Once you know how to use all the basic elements, you can draw anything as Warli. Okay, let me create a simple scene using Warli. So now I will draw a Warli painting using these techniques. Making the background first, I am using color burn, and the base color I am taking black. So the background is ready. I will use white ink . Warli is a form of tribal art practiced by tribes in Maharashtra, India. This traditional art form is one of the finest art form among the folk style of paintings. And if you ever checked, you can understand their respect for nature and wildlife. This is very easy and you can be very creative with this. And once you recognize the elements of Warli, you can create any scene using this technique. You can use it in various medium also, whether as wall paintings or as a painting on paper or digitally. You can use acrylic or pastels or black sketch pen also. And you can draw it digitally and take a print of it. Now save your project for further use. Export it with any format, as Infinite Painter offering you number of formats. You can directly share your art from this app, and even you can print it from this app. Hopefully you enjoyed my video. If you find this helpful, please subscribe my channel, like the video, share it, and hey, don't forget to comment about your experience on digital art. Thank you, stay healthy, see you in the next video.